innovating to provide a super highly efficient transmission technology to consumers whole world. Hello everyone, this is Terry from UNIPOE. This video will introduce to you UNIPOE's latest RZS 6500 series 100 gigabit data center switch. With the repeat development of new technologies such as cloud computing, big data, and artificial intelligence, the demand for network is also growing. Traditional 10 gigabit and 40 gigabit switch have been unable to meet the needs of the repeat development of data centers. UNIPOE's 100 gigabit data center switch will be the key technologies for next generation networks. It can help you increase network speed and network capacity to meet your need in data centers, enterprise networks, and telecom networks projects. UNIPOE's RZS 6500 series data center switch is a new generation of the high-performance and high-density data center switch products, independently developed for cloud data centers and cloud computing networks. Our products are mainly aimed at enterprise data centers that require high network scalability and flexibility, as well as operate data centers and internet cloud servers. Provide data centers that require high performance to provide you with the high reliability and lossless network transmission, help you improve the quality of the networks. At present, we have launched 3 data center products with different specifications. The main 100 gigabit product features are support VxLAN function and can meet your data center overlay network construction needs, supports bandwidth networks architecture design requirements. It provides a more reliable network connection. MLAG technology implements dual uplink load sharing and improves network reliability. DOS attack defense for the ARP validity check and multiple hardware-based ACL police make your network more secure and reliable. Supports RoCE v2 to low latency network. RoCE v2 provides lower latency and higher throughput, minimizing CPU involvement and reducing communication latency. PFC flow control, ECN congestion control, and buffer dynamic management to achieve network optimization. This is UNIPOE 48 ports, 25G SFP28 with 8 ports 100G QSFP28 data center products. We can have a clear look at the structure of the product. High-speed and high-power configurations so that this data center switch can be applied to high-load environments. Hardware-level redundancy, high reliability. 1-in-1 power supply redundancy supports hot swap and instant switchover when failure occurs, ensuring uninterrupted business operation. 4-in-1 fan redundancy, intelligent speed adjustment, and efficient heat dissipation create a green and low carbon data center. Supports out-of-band management and USB disk deployment configuration. Front and rear air duct designed energy efficient. It can support cold and hot air duct isolation and improve heat dissipation efficiency. This data center product's introduction is over. For more information about the data center switch, please visit our website and contact us. Thanks for watching. Thank you.